I'm really sorry, sir. I didn't saw that. Someone who can type. That's what I always told. Please don't type anything. We'll sometimes only we'll see the chat window, sir. Better to speak even, okay? So let me repeat here, guys, because the things are not recorded. In a TypeScript installation, we need to navigate to, first we need Node.js, guys. We need to download and install the Node.js. So navigate to nodejs.org/download/installer, which is going to download the installation. And we need to type the command node hyphen version, and you are going to get the output over here. Right? Next one is to install TypeScript. To install TypeScript, we can use the following command, where the command is npm install -g TypeScript @latest. This is a command, guys. npm install -g TypeScript @latest. npm stands for Node Package Manager. npm stands for Node Package Manager. G stands for global flag. G stands for global flag. @latest. Stands for latest version. So this is the point here. npm install -g TypeScript @latest. This is a command which is going to install TypeScript latest version. For example, sir, I want a specific version, sir. I don't want latest version. What command I can use here? npm install -g TypeScript @5.2.1. What this does, guys? What this does? This will install TypeScript. This will install TypeScript with 5.2.1 version. This will install TypeScript with 5.2.1 version here. So npm install -g TypeScript @latest, where npm stands for Node Package Manager, G stands for global flag, latest stands for latest version. If you want a specific version, npm install -g TypeScript @5.2.1. This will install TypeScript with the latest version here. This is a TypeScript installation, guys. After that, you want to know the TypeScript version, right? To verify, right, sir? Verification. Type the command tsc -version. TSC stands for TypeScript compiler, guys. That's what I told, right? Type the command. on command prompt. Which you are going to get a version here. CSC hyphen version. So this is the version number 5.4.2, which I have. So this is a typical installation, guys. So far clear, right? TypeScript installation, Node.js verification, and TypeScript verification. So far clear, everyone? Any questions, guys, on the installation point of view? Anyone? Superb, guys. Now we are going to use Visual Studio Code Editor. Visual Studio Code Editor. So this is where you need to download the editor, guys. Windows, Mac, all Ubuntu, all those things. Where you can download, you can use here. Editor, or you can type the code in Notepad or whatever it may be, but we require some kind of editor to take care of this actually. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a folder, guys. C training, Angular, Ashok IT, Angular August 24 batch. This is a folder I'm creating. Under that, I'm creating TypeScript. Here I'm going to write some programs, guys, here. Okay. So let me Visual Studio Code. So this is a Visual Studio Code. File, open folder. Whatever the folder I created, right? C training, Angular, Ashok IT, Angular, TypeScript folder. So this is a folder I created, sir. And I mapped that folder here. And I mapped that folder over here. This is a TypeScript folder. Now, first program I'm writing, sir. Plus, I want to create a new file, guys. I want to create a new file. Variable test. Some name. Var test. .ts. Sir, whenever you saw, right? .js. .js came, right, sir? .ts. You saw TypeScript, right? The editor is going to take care of here. Variable test.ts. This is what I created. Okay, sir. What is the variable, guys? Variable. Variables are used to store any type of data. Any type of data here. We have var keyword in TypeScript to store any type of data. Syntax. Var variable name colon data type is equal to value. This is the syntax. Where where variable name colon data type that is equal to value here, or else where variable name is equal to value. Where variable name is equal to value. Any of the syntax is fine, sir. Okay. Now you see here, guys, I'm writing some code over here. Where var1, which is of number, is equal to 100. What I'm telling, sir? Variable var, variable name is var1, data type is number data type is equal to 100. Next one, var2, which is of number 100.1234, which is decimal or a float value, right? This is number. Next, var3, which is of number, where we can store hexadecimal also, guys. 0x, not 0, ox, 1, 2, 3, 0 only, ABC. Hexadecimal. We can store hexadecimal also. X stands for hexadecimal. Next, var4, which is also a number, octal. Octal system. var5, number, binary, 0b, 01, 01, 11. Where we can represent number, decimals, hexadecimal, octal system, binary system. Now I want to print the value. Console.log off. What is console, guys? Where command prompt is a
value. Print out console.
Command prompt is a console for me. If I am executing the browser will also have a console, right?
Yes, yes.
So that is also a console for me. Where I am executing, that is a console. If I am executing in the command prompt is a console. If I am executing from the browser is a console. Okay. Decimal or number value, which is equal to comma var1, right? 3, 4, 5. Next, var2, decimal value, hexadecimal, octal value, binary value. That's it, guys. I wrote this particular code, guys. I am displaying the data here. Okay. Sir, font size, it's okay, right, sir? Still font size. Who is accessing to increase the font size? Are you logging from mobile? Oliver, you are logging from mobile, sir? Sir, please, whoever is logging from mobile, I don't want to encourage. Okay. Then laptop means I think this font size is okay. It's clear only, right? It's still you increase the font size. Okay. I
It's
feel
clear,
it may.
sir.
Yeah, it's a. If at all, if you more font size, right? You can see very less text actually. Maybe I'll show you appearance.
I think you can zoom the.
Yeah. Now are you clear, guys? Now you clear, guys?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. But you'll see very small text, sir. If at all font size increased, very see very small text actually. Okay. But it's up to you. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now I wrote the code right, guys, here so far. Variable test.ts. Now how to compile this? I need to go to command prompt. Wherever I write the code, right? Sir, by default TS file in Windows operating system, it will consider as a video, sir. You will get play. It's a video file will come, but you need to open with Notepad++ or Visual Studio, then it's okay. So here you need to go to this file, CMD. In this path, I need to go here. Node. Node is a command, right? Node is a command which is going to transpile the TypeScript file. Node var test.ts. Node var test.ts. That's it. Sorry, not node, sir. Sorry. TSC. TSC var test.ts. TypeScript compiler TS var test.ts. Now it is generating a JavaScript file. You saw here a JavaScript file came, right? Whenever
Yes.
I compile TSC var test.ts, this is going to generate a JavaScript file. Now, how to execute this? Node var test. To execute the file, node var test. You saw the output, guys? Number value, decimal value, hexadecimal value, octal value, binary value. Maybe I will write the execution. Something like output. So this is the first program, guys, where we created a TypeScript program and we compiled this and we got the output actually. Okay. Mr. Vinay, you need to join at the right time. Okay. When class is at 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock you need to join. Right?
Yeah.
At the end of the class, I will give you Google Classroom link. Almost in the last two classes I have given. You didn't join the last two classes, Mr. Vinay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all. At the end of the class, I'll give. Okay? Before my class ends, because some more people will ask. Again, I don't want to give every time. Okay? At the end of the class, I'm going to give that. Right. So any questions here, guys, so far on a first program execution, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we Sir, we assigned the value in like hexadecimal, octal, and binary, but does it convert automatically in the decimal? Because I
Yes.
see the output like hexa, octal, all are in decimal form.
No, madam, in actual form. This is giving actual value. I gave what? Hexadecimal. Is this value
Yeah,
it's a real value. I
yeah,
gave
yeah. I
0.
mean the number format, like you assigned there in hexadecimal, octal, and binary, and in the output we are getting it in as a number format.
It's not number, madam. It's the actual value of the hexadecimal. Finally, everything should be converted into number only, right?
Yeah.
Let me repeat here. We are representing the value in the hexadecimal. Internally, it is going to convert into number format only. Okay?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it automatically converts
Correct. It
into
automatically
number.
converts. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, the next program, how to create, guys, one more file, which is string test.ts. String test.ts here. Let me close var test. Let me close here. Same var keyword is used to store string data type, to store string value. Same var keyword is used to store string value. Okay. For example, I am taking variable technology1, which is of type string, is equal to Angular, where technology2, which is of type string, is equal to Spring Boot. Technology3, which is of type string, is equal to Oracle. Technology1 Angular, technology2 Spring Boot, technology3 Oracle here. Okay. Console.log of front-end technology. Tech1, console.log of backend technology. Tech2, database technology. Technology1, technology2, and technology3. Front-end, back-end, database. Right? Now, how to compile this, guys? Clear? TSC string test.ts. TSC string test.ts, which is generating string test.js file. It generates node string test.js. You saw the output, guys? Front-end technology Angular, back-end technology Spring Boot, database technology Oracle. You're able to see the output?
Yes, sir.
So, output. Right? Now, I'm going to write a dynamic string, guys, here. Dynamic string over here. what is my dynamic string is something like that, where web underscore technology or full stack underscore technology, full stack underscore technology, which is of type string, is equal to, I want to print, I want to take technology one, I want to read the value. If I want to read a value, dollar of braces of technology underscore one, it is going to read the value here. Okay, but what I want to print, a construct a string here. In TypeScript, if you want to construct a multi-line string, we have a backtick operator. This is called as a backtick. Multi-line string, guys. Backtick operator, single line or multi-line. After that, technology 2. After that, technology 3. Where full stack technology is equal to technology 1, technology 2, and technology 3. Now, if I print here, console.log of full stack technology is equal to full stack technology. So let me comment this, guys, here. I commented that console.log. Okay. Sir, you are able to follow the right, sir? Full stack. I'm constructing a dynamic string and I am forming a dynamic value over here. So which is equal to TSC. TSC. Sir, whenever you change, you need to recompile again. TSC string test.ts. You need to recompile again. Node is here full stack technology, Angular, Spring Boot, Oracle. You are able to see that?
Yes, sir.
So this is my output.
Got it.
Output. Now, I will write one more thing, sir. I'm going to write one more thing here, where table underscore name is equal to, which is of type string, is equal to products table. Where table underscore name, which is of type string, is equal to products table. Where column underscore name, which is of type string, is equal to price. Products table will have a price column, right? Where price value, which is of string, is equal to 1000. Table name is a variable 1, column name is a variable 2, price value is a variable 3. Now, where SQL query, which is of type string, is equal to backtick. Okay. select star from table name. How to get the table name, guys? I'll copy paste here. Table name, right, guys? Select a star from table name where column name is equal to value. Isn't it, guys?
Yes.
This is a query. Console.log of SQL query. So I will remove this. Everything I commented. I commented everything over here. Just I kept this. Right, sir? TSC string test.ts node. Select a star from product where price is equal to 1000. You saw the query? Why there is a space? Select star from table. Where? Here some space. You're able to see that? Select star from product where price is equal to 1000. You're able to see a dynamic query. I'm able to construct a dynamic string, right?
Yeah.
So, output. So this is a little bit about string and little bit about numbers. So far clear, guys? So far, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any question, guys? So far, guys?
Yes, yes, sir. What is a backtick?
Backtick is a keyword to store multi-line string. Now it's a multi-line string, right?
Yes, sir.
Multi-line means 2-3 lines. If I want to store, that's a backtick in TypeScript. Backtick is a keyword which is going to store multi-line string. Okay. Next. I'm going to take one more file. Array test.ts. Next point is what? Array test.ts, guys. Yeah. So far clear, right? What is an array, right? Array is nothing but a variable can store more than one value, right? A variable can store more than one value. Number array can store more than one number, right? String array can store more than one string. Syntax: variable, array name, which is of number array is equal to values. Something like that. Right? Array name, which is of number, value 1, value 2, value, or else of type array of number is equal. Any of these two things, syntaxes are fine. Any of these two syntaxes are fine, sir. Array name, which is of type number array values, or array name, which is of type array of number. Any of the syntax is fine, sir. Okay. Right. Now, where number array is equal to, which is of number is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Where number array, which is of type number array, is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I want to use some keywords, guys, for each keyword. Number array dot for each where element comma index. So this is a syntax of for each. It is going to iterate each and every element in the array. It is going to iterate each and every element in the array. Element is a value, index is a position. So console.log index is comma index comma element is comma element. So what it is going to do that? It is going to iterate each and every element. Element and index is automatically populated, and it is going to print this value here. Now here, TSC array test.ts node array test.js here. You saw here, index is 0, element is 10. Index is 1, element is 20. Index is 2, element is 30. Index is 3, element is 40. Index is 4, element is 50. Yes. Copy. Output. Sir, so far clear, guys? Sir, so far?
Yes, sir.
హలో
Yes.
చెప్తున్నానయ్యా కొడదామయ్యా అది పొద్దున్న ఎప్పుడు కొడతాను ఎందుకంటే లీవ్ అన్నయ్యా
Mr. Shiva Santosh.
కదా
Mr. Shiva Santosh.
పంపించేస్తాను నేను లేవు అది లేకపోతే ప్రశ్న ఇదే
Shiva Santosh, I muted you. Always please take care. Entire class is listening to your voice. You are not at all listening to me. Entire class is listening to your voice. Shiva Santosh. Okay. Please make sure that always use mute and unmute option very, very judiciously. Okay. Right here. Right. Any questions, guys? Madhu? Mr. Madhu, you unmuted, but I'm not able to hear. Okay. So, guys, who are attending online class, internet connectivity, and headset. Whatever the headset you use, you should have a proper headset and a neat, calm
Hello, sir.
room.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes. You're audible. Guys, please don't disturb the class like this, guys. It's humble request. Don't disturb the class like this. Okay? Yeah. Someone is asking Google Classroom. I'm going to give a link for Google Classroom, guys. Sir, I've shared the Google Classroom link to everyone. The one who asked about Google Classroom link, guys, I have shared the link. Kindly click on the link with your Gmail ID. Now I'm going to share the notes. Topic, TypeScript program. And notes. This is the TypeScript running notes. And the programs. Total 3 programs I'm sharing. Mr. Saurabh, just please join my batch. I'll take care. You no need to worry. Follow my classes. No need of what is important, what is not important, what to learn. Ignore these questions. Just to follow my classes. Whatever the exercise, do it. That's it. You will become expert in Angular. Mr. Saurabh, clear? Whatever the exercise I mentioned, you do it and show me, hey Vijay, I have done this. Okay? That shows your commitment level. Understand, guys? Yeah. Thank you. Any other question, guys, before I wrap for today? As of now?
One question I
Yeah,
have.
go ahead, Santosh.
I mean, we are giving a variable name also, then we are giving type of string or number, whatever, and giving value also. I mean, all mandatory things we are giving, then why we need to start tag from var, who indicating like variable we are giving?
By default, TypeScript should know that I am creating a variable, right? TypeScript should know I am creating a variable, right?
Okay.
Please create a variable in the memory pool, right? Okay? Yeah, fine. Any other question, guys? Okay, guys. So we are going to see on Monday, we start with the classes, inheritance, polymorphism. On Monday, Tuesday, I'll take that. Wednesday onwards, we are going to start Angular. That is a strategy I have where we are going to meet further. Okay? Thanks, everyone. Guys, from Monday onwards, join 8 o'clock, guys. Sharp 8 o'clock, please. Thanks, everyone, guys. Okay? Fine.
Sir, from next day also. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir. Who is hello? Yeah, tell me. Kunjan, what is the
Hello.
problem? Tell me.
Sir, actually, whatever typing said is not clear. is to me means it's I don't know where is the fault, sir. I'm not able to see clearly.
First of all, your internet is problem. Okay. You need to correct your internet. First point is you need to correct your internet. Whatever the words you are telling, I'm not able to understand.
Okay, sir.
First, you need to correct yourself. Okay. First, you need to correct
Okay,
your
sir.
internet and follow the class clearly. Keep the mind in the class. Then ask the questions. Where is not you're not clear? Once entire class is over, I'm not clear. That's not correct way. First, make sure your internet connection is good. First point. Second point, please keep the mind in the class. Third point, ask the question, where is you're not clear? That time only. I'll explain 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Okay? Thank you.